Is your Tesco Bank app stuck on a loading screen or refusing to open? One of the most common reasons, especially after recent iOS or Android updates, is a buildup of corrupted cached data. Apps store temporary files to load faster, but these can become glitched, causing the app to malfunction. Issues spiked by 15% in Q3 2025 due to iOS 18.1 and Android 15 rollouts. Don't worry, clearing the cache is usually a quick fix. We'll show you how on both iPhone and Android. Let's get your app working again. For iPhones, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, Tesco Bank. Here, you can either offload app, a partial reinstall that saves your data, or delete app, a full reinstall. You'll need to log in again. Offloading is preferred. For Android, go to Settings, Apps, Tesco Bank, Storage, Clear Cache. If that doesn't work, tap Clear Data. This is like a full reinstall. After clearing the cache or reinstalling, always restart your device. Still not working? Reinstalling the app might be needed, or there could be a server issue on Tesco's side, so check their website or social media for updates. Contact Tesco Bank support directly if problems persist after these steps.